Hello, and thanks for joining me today. Well, here's a flip through of my book that contains the results of the papers that I used when I was staining them with coffee. I used tissue paper and just ordinary copy papers, and also the packaging that you get from the various different things that you've ordered over the internet. So here they are. I had a thoroughly wonderful time producing them, and especially sticking them down into my book. It's a fabulous thing to do, and I really encourage you to have a go yourself. I've never tried making these coffee stain papers before, and I found it really quite interesting and very easy to do. You can just soak the papers with the coffee. I used instant coffee and made a very strong solution of it, and then painted over the papers with a paintbrush, or I sprayed it on. I then overpainted with black or white acrylic paint, and also I used black Indian ink just to sort of make some different marks on the paper. But the best thing about it was collecting all those papers and putting it into this book. I hope you've enjoyed this quick flip through of my coffee stained book, and I urge you to have a go yourself. You won't regret it. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and then you'll find out as soon as I upload my next video. I've got such a lot of exciting sessions and projects and tips and tricks to share with you. So hit that little bell. Give me a thumbs up if you will, that would be great, and leave a comment. Tell me whether or not you've done coffee stain papers as well. I'd love to hear from you, and I'd love to share my experiences with you. So thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll say goodbye. Bye bye.